Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP printer to Wi-Fi using the HP Smart app, even if you're setting it up for the very first time. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Turn on the printer. First, power on your HP printer. Make sure it has paper and ink or toner installed. If it's brand new, finish the basic unboxing steps. B-roll. Pressing power button, printer lights on. Step 2. Reset Wi-Fi settings optional but recommended. To ensure a clean setup, reset the Wi-Fi settings. On most HP printers, just press and hold the Wi-Fi and Cancel buttons together for 5 seconds. On DeskJet models, press Wi-Fi plus Information button. B-roll idea. Show fingers pressing Wi-Fi plus Cancel buttons. Step 3. Download HP Smart app. Now, grab your phone or computer and download the HP Smart app from the App Store, Google Play, or Microsoft Store. HP Smart app. Free download. Step 4. Add a new printer. Open the HP Smart app and tap Add Printer. The app will automatically detect your HP printer in setup mode. Phone shows searching for printers. Once you see your printer name, tap on it. Step 5. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because most HP printers don't support 5 GHz. B-roll. Typing Wi-Fi password connecting. The HP Smart app will send your Wi-Fi details to the printer. Wait for the check mark. This means the printer is successfully connected. Step 6. Finish setup and print test page. Once connected, the HP Smart app will complete the setup. It may ask you to install drivers, add your printer account, or print a test page. On screen, setup complete. Step 7. If printer is not found. Quick fix is optional. If your printer doesn't show up in the app, make sure Bluetooth is on, stay close to the printer, reset Wi-Fi again, restart your phone and printer. That's it. Your HP printer is now connected to Wi-Fi using the HP Smart app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.